Welcome! In this activity, we'll learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a line segment using only a compass. Step 1. Set the compass to a radius greater than half the length of xy. Draw an arc above the line segment from x. Without changing the compass width, draw another arc from y to intersect the first arc. Label the intersection as A. Step 2. Using the same compass radius, draw two intersecting arcs below the line segment from x and y. Label their intersection as B. Step 3. Join points A and B with a straight line. The line AB is the required perpendicular bisector of xy. It passes through the midpoint of the line segment and meets it at a right angle. This simple construction uses only a compass and an unmarked ruler.
Thanks for watching. Practice this construction yourself using our virtual geometry lab at osimulations.in. If this video helped you learn something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more interactive mathematics and geometry tutorials. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.